Hey guys, Paul here. Welcome back to the channel. I have this brand new Tesla Model Y front lip to share with you today. This is a plastic matte finish front lip for Tesla Model Y. This front lip is probably the easiest front lip I ever install on my car or on Tesla. I have done a few of them before. This is the third one, and this is the only one that I could install it by myself, the whole process. So in today's video, I'll show you what comes in the box and a step-by-step installation, and then at the end I'll show you how it looks on my Tesla Model Y. Now let's go. Let's see what comes in the box of this new front lip for Tesla Model Y from EVBase. And here what came in the box. Let's take a closer look. So I picked a matte black option for this new front lip for the Model Y. This one I like the most, the design, because really a lot less lower compared to the rest, and this one you just basically insert into the lower lip or the lower bumper instead of attaching from the bottom, because attaching from the bottom the adhesive more likely to get loosened after a while and it might just eventually drop, which I already had the experience on my Tesla Model 3. I like the matte finish look, so it looks like the rest of the trim on the Model Y that came with the car. It has that matte plastic around the car, so this will go well with it. And they also have a gloss, which I have here to compare. So they have a gloss black or matte black finish that you can see here, and I also have the side mirror cover matte carbon fiber, so that will go well with the matte finish look, and it will give a good contrast on my midnight silver Tesla Model Y2. So this is the gloss black and matte black. It also came in pre-installed with the double-sided tape. It came in small double-sided tape. If you're not sure, you can install extra double-sided tape yourself before you install it. Also a bag of hardware, so a bag of a plastic clips, and also the screws. You could either install the screw underneath, or I will see how well it sticks to the bottom of the bumper. If it needs extra security, I'll just install the screw on the bottom. So it will look something like this. I like this style because even though it came in 3 pieces, as you can see, but when you actually install it, you can't really tell. Now let me show you where you can get this new front lip for your Tesla Model Y. You can get this new front lip for Tesla Model Y from EVBase or evbase.com. As you can see here, there are 4 different options you can choose from: gloss black, matte carbon fiber texture. It's still ABS plastic but with carbon fiber texture overlay on it, and gloss carbon fiber texture. And if you are interested, you can use my special discount code TC for extra 20% discount. So this is the final price after the discount, which is really awesome price for a front lip. Now let's go and install it on my Tesla Model Y. Let's start with the installation. Before we actually install the front lip on Tesla front bumper, you have to put the 3 pieces together first. Let me show you. So it came with all the screws that you need to put the pieces together. So it's basically 3 screws on each side. So 2 right here, 1, 2, as you can see, just attach it together. And then on the bottom, there's 1 more on the bottom. So same thing on both sides. 2 screws here, 1 on the bottom. Really straightforward. Now we are ready to install on my Model Y. First step here, before we install the front lip, we have to clean the surface first. So use the clean towel to clean the surface and a cleaning solution. So just spray it everywhere you want to install the front lip. I just washed the car, but still I have to make sure it's super clean, no dust in between the surface and the attached part of the front lip. After the surface is clean, use the rubbing alcohol and then apply on the towel and clean the surface with rubbing alcohol again. This will make sure everything is ready and surface is clean. After you're done cleaning up the surface, just use the flathead screwdriver to remove these tabs right here, 4 tabs. There's one, which you can see right there. These are plastic tabs because we will be replacing with a longer tabs that came in the package. So 4 different tabs. These are the tabs that we just removed that came with the car. As you can see, it's shorter, and these are the new tabs that we'll be installing after we place on the front lip. As you can see, a lot longer because it adds the thickness to this part, so you need a longer plastic tab. Save this when you want to, remove it and then put it back in. Next step here, we just have to remove all of the adhesive tapes, the double-sided tape around, and then install it. Basically just remove all the small tabs, all small part out entirely, and then the longer part I just leave it hanging like halfway, like so. Now we are ready to install it. I would start from the center of the bumper because it has this kind of cut right here, so you find the center easily, and then just slowly place it and just remove the adhesive covers on this side, and just slowly, gently push it in all the way. And make sure you push it in all the way, and it's in the middle. And then align the bottom cut out, so the middle part is pretty much done. As you can see, I wouldn't push it in yet. We have to do the side first. Let's do this side real quick. And then now attach on the right side, pull the tabs out, top and bottom. This one's a lot easier to install since it's actually grab on to the front bumper instead of attaching from the bottom. So you have a lot of place for the adhesive to grab onto. So the right side is pretty much done. Same thing here. Pull out the adhesive, top and bottom, and then make sure you pull it all the way to this side, and then attach it. That's it. So now we're gonna go around the front lip, and then try to, hold on each spot for like a good 30 seconds. Okay, we are done attaching the adhesive part. This one is so much easier to install. I wish they have the same similar design for the Model 3. I would definitely switch to this one. As you can see, it matches the matte black or matte finish plastic on the trim of the Model Y. That's why I went with a matte finish, so it's kind of flow with the rest of the car. And I also have a matte finish carbon fiber side view mirror too. Now we have to put these clips on. That's it, attaching the clips done, super simple. So there are 4 screws left. You can either leave just an adhesive to do the work, or you can screw 2 more screws right here. Make sure you can see from here. Hold on. So one right here and one right here, so you can screw them on. They are attaching to the bottom plastic, which is this one right here, the plastic. So you're not attached, like you're not screwing on the painted part of the car, so it should be fine. If you don't want to, you don't have to. And it seems to stays really well. I'll screw them on just to be sure. Alright, the last step here, I just put the painter's tape on, attached between the bumper and the front lip. It's all the way down there. So attached on both top and bottom all around. Just to be sure, I would normally leave it for a few hours. Better to just leave it overnight to make sure it's attaching really well, the adhesive underneath and the front bumper. This one looks really good. Really easy to install. I did it all by myself. I didn't even need help to do this one. We'll see the final result tomorrow. Wow, this front bumper, front lip looks so much better than I thought. Not only that, I love how easy it was to install this front lip. You see the contrast between the gloss and matte. I'm glad I went with matte finish. You see this, it's continue. It's kind of darker, a shade or two darker than the trim of the Model Y. You see, Model Y has that plastic matte finish trim all around the car, so that's kind of matched with that, so it doesn't look out of place, even though it's different finish gloss and matte, but it looks so good. Only one thing I wish they did a little better right here. You see this cut right here? Should have gone more rounded cut, so it's a little bit more smooth on the transition here between this and this. But otherwise, as you can see, we saw at the beginning it was 3 pieces, right? But now after I install it, you can't really tell it's 3 pieces. It looks really seamless connection between all 3 pieces, and I love this design much better than the one that you're actually attaching to the bottom, because you're actually attaching, it's like it grabs on to the bumper instead of attaching to the bottom. So this way it's less likely to get loosened, or you accidentally drop these. These probably gonna stay for a while. I'm sure this thing is going to stay over the winter here with the snow in Colorado. And another thing I like about this front lip is that you get the same clearance. Let me show you. So the original clearance, it's right there. So it's the same clearance. Basically, when you park, you don't have to worry about your front lip being scraped, and it still looks really good with non-lower car. I didn't do anything with my car, but still, this front bumper probably one of those that still looks good, even though you don't lower or your back, put the airbag on your car. I'm glad I picked this finish, and I picked this front bumper design. This one awesome looking front lift for your Tesla Model Y. As you can see in the video, this new front lift for Tesla Model Y was really simple to install, easy step-by-step installation that I showed. You can actually do it by yourself just like I did in the video today, and turned out really good too. I love the contrast, that matte black finish that blend in with the rest of the trim of Tesla Model Y, and contrast with the paint. The gloss finish paint looks really cool, similar to the new Model 3 Highland Performance that has like a little lower lip that is matte finish, contrast to the paint of the car. Let me know in the comment down below what you think about this new front lift for Tesla Model Y, and I'll make sure to put the link of this front lift from EVBase in the description down below, and special discount code for you too. Thank you so much guys for watching today's video. Make sure to click like if you liked the video. Make sure to subscribe for more awesome contents like this. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.